One of every 3 sitting High Court judges in India is related to a sitting or former judge or comes from a family of lawyers. I'm Apoorva Mandhani and this is part 2 of my series, All in the Family. But before I begin, I'd like to talk to all of you about the Print School of Journalism. It is a power-packed course where you learn from some of the best journalists in the country. Batch 4, admissions for Batch 4 are now open and slots are filling up fast. So do check out school.theprint.in and maybe I hope to see some of you in class in the next batch. Now getting back to my series. In the first part of this 2-part series, we explained how at least 30% of sitting judges of the Supreme Court are related to former judges and another 30% were second or third generation lawyers before their elevation. And in this part, we look into the 687 permanent judges of the 25 high courts in India. Our investigation found that at least 102 judges of these 687 judges are related to former or sitting judges, and another 117 are judges whose fathers, grandfathers, or relatives were members of the legal fraternity. The data of the High Court judges has been taken as it stood till the second week of March. The information has been collected from publicly available sources as well as sources within the Supreme Court and various high courts throughout the country. A more detailed look into the families of sitting High Court judges also reveals a complex judicial family tree that has branches intertwined over generations and among courts. For instance, at the Allahabad High Court, Justice Deepak Verma is the brother-in-law of former Supreme Court Judge Justice Ashok Bhushan. Justice Vivek Kumar Birla's son is married to the daughter of Justice Alok Mathur. Justice Ashwini Kumar Mishra's brother Ajay Kumar Mishra is an Advocate General of Uttar Pradesh. Justice Mishra's sons Ashutosh and Vinayak are both lawyers, as are Ajay Kumar Mishra's 2 sons Vandit and Vrindavan. Vandit is married to the granddaughter of late Justice Giridhar Malviya, who was the grandson of social reformer and freedom fighter Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. As for the Delhi High Court, that's another case in point. Justice Manmeet Preetam Singh Arora's sister is married to Justice Anish Dayal. At the Madhya Pradesh High Court, Justice Vishal Mishra is the brother of former Supreme Court Judge Justice Arun Kumar Mishra. Their father was Justice Hargovind Mishra, a former judge of Madhya Pradesh High Court. Besides, there are at least 3 couples who are sitting High Court judges as well. For instance, at the Rajasthan High Court, Justices Pushpendra Singh Bhati and Nupur Bhati are married to each other. So are Justices Mahendra Kumar Goyal and Shubha Mehta. At the Madras High Court, a judge couple, Justice K. Murli Shankar and Justice T.V. Thamil Selvi, they were sworn in together in 2020. Both are sitting judges. The percentages of judges coming from legal backgrounds are higher in a few high courts as compared to others. For instance, at the Punjab and Haryana High Court, 39% of sitting judges are either related to former judges or had lawyers as parents or relatives. At Kerala High Court, this figure stands at 48%. In Tripura High Court, 4 out of total of 5 judges have judicial and legal backgrounds. We also found that several relatives of sitting High Court judges are practicing lawyers, often in the same High Court, or have studied law. So, for example, at the Allahabad High Court, at least 24 judges out of the total 79 have children or relatives who are lawyers. At Himachal Pradesh High Court, 6 out of 12 judges have relatives who are lawyers. At Chhattisgarh High Court, 5 out of 9 judges have children who are either lawyers or are studying law. Similar collections and networks are visible in other high courts as well. Take Justice Pankaj Purohit of Uttarakhand High Court, for instance. His 2 sons are both lawyers, so is his niece. One of the sons practices in Delhi while the other practices in Nainital. Both the sons' wives are also lawyers. His niece's husband is also a lawyer, so is the husband's father, the father-in-law's brother, the brother's son and daughter-in-law, all of whom practice in Uttarakhand High Court. If you'd like to read more about this, I've written a more detailed, in-depth article on this and I'm adding a link for it as well as part 1 of this series in the description of this video. So do check that out as well. This is Apoorva Mandhani for The Print. For more such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook.